Okay, so in today's short video, I want to bring you guys in on a secret weapon I've been using recently in my photography and filmmaking. And yes, it comes from that company once again, K&F Concepts. Okay, so there's no secrets. This is a neutral ND filter. Now, by now, you guys should already know what a variable ND filter is. If you don't, then I guess I might have to make another video for you. But I did make a video about a year ago about that, but it's about time I update that video. Now, this isn't your normal average variable ND filter. This is something quite special. Now, inside of this is not only a variable ND filter, as you can see, as we rotate this here, but it's also a circular polarizing filter as well. Now, if you don't know what that is, that's something we haven't really spoken about on this channel. And here's an example of what that exactly does. A circular polarizer can negate or completely delete reflections on glass. Like, say if you're just shooting from a window and you don't want to get the reflections of things inside, like lights and things like that, you turn this, it disappears. Normally, you can't get variable NDs and circular polarizing filters all in one package. So when you try to stack these filters together, traditionally you get a gigantic X across all of your footage, and that's because the lenses or the glasses that are polarizing against each other are just not compatible, and then you get that annoying X. Not only that, you start to get other artifacts showing up like heavy vignetting and color shifts and things like that. So they just become unusable. So what you normally do is you'll use a normal sheeted glass ND, and then you'll get a polarizer behind it to try and do it. But the thing is that that has to have a holder in front of it. It just becomes a big kerfuffle. To have it all in one filter for me is super dope. Now, on the K&F one, you see that we have these nice little handles here, which we just rotate, and you got guidances to tell you what's the minimum and maximum there on the lens. And then if you want a circular polarizer, you simply just turn the lens around. Now, one design problem with this particular lens, which I wish was a little bit different, I wish there was some sort of locking mechanism. So once you've got the correct circular polarizing position, you can just lock it in. I think that would have been the bee's knees for this particular filter, but as it stands, it's really well built, really nice and thick, solid construction, and it's got that anti-scratch glass and everything on front. So yeah, if you're in the need for getting yourself a variable ND filter, why not pick up this one, where you also get a circular polarizing filter built in, so you're killing two birds with one stone. And this technology is beautiful because you're not getting that horrendous X through the image, which you would get if you had to stack multiple filters on top. So that's my super quick video of the week. I just wanted to show you guys this magical, super epic little piece of a gear that I came across, which I've been using literally on every single shoot recently. And yeah, I think you guys deserve to find out about products like these. So if you're interested, hit the link below and you get yourself one. I think there should be some sort of discount code down there as well. And yeah, leave a comment, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in whichever video comes next. Peace.